past the security, I thought I was going to faint. I am like 2 minutes away from fainting. I'm gonna eat my acai. I mean my smoothie bowl. The acai bowl now that I got from the cafe. And then I'm gonna get a coffee. I think it's all melted. Let me show you. I think it's all melted. Like, I don't have tissues as well. I need to have tissues in my luggage, but my luggage is like so heavily packed that I don't even want to try to get tissues. So I'm gonna eat without tissues. Everyone going to like Ho Chi Minh City is super stylish. I feel like I dressed myself a bit like down. I didn't know what to wear, and I'm planning to do like a lot of shopping in Ho Chi Minh City. Let me show you my bowl. Also, let me take a picture maybe. Where's my phone? This costed like £5. It was so nice. Now I want another one, but I'm gonna get a coffee. I need to have real food, but I want to get a cake, but I need to have real food. That place, that vegan place was so nice. I wanted to go, like I was going to go and have like food there, but I woke up so late. But yeah, a bad thing for a good thing, because I didn't want to miss my plane obviously, so now I'm just like sitting at the airport. But I'm gonna see this cafe that says fast food. They have burgers. But I really wanted like a vegan burger. Well, let's go and see. I feel kind of cold as well because I'm wearing like shorts and I feel cold, but then the trousers that I have is like jeans or what is it called? Like trousers, what is it called? I forgot the name of it, but like I can't remember. I'm so like, I didn't have coffee, so I'm so like spaced out. Not sweat pants, but like sports pants, kind of. I guess sports trousers. I don't know. So I didn't want to like wear my large sportswear trousers or the pink one that I wore when I flew to Macau, because I already like put in. I couldn't do laundry, and then jeans, trousers. I was like, it's going to be like 30 degrees, 35 degrees. It is already like 30 degrees here, and upon landing it's meant to be 35 degrees, and I'm not really a trousers person, and I didn't bring like long skirts because I just didn't have them. I left like half of my clothes, I left them in Comoros, so I've got no like summer clothes in London, especially since London is not really sunny. So all of my summer shiny, like summer sunny things, I left them in Comoros. So that's why I'm planning to like do a lot of shopping here. But I feel kind of like undressed here. Everyone's just super like dressed nicely, which is so like odd to me to not be like dressed, but I didn't know what to wear. I have like a long dress that I want to wear on my first day tomorrow. But even tomorrow I'm not sure, because I want to buy like shoes, basically like heels, but like open heels, because I have heels like that in my suitcase that I want to wear to go in a restaurant with like closed heels, and I want to wear open heels with my long dress. There's just too much shopping that I need to do. But I'm gonna go and get something to eat and drink coffee, because the plane is meant to leave in 1 hour, so, and my gate is literally just here, so I think I'll have 40 minutes. Okay then, I'll show you what I'm gonna eat. But yeah, I've got like 8 minutes left, and then I need to free up some more storage, so yeah, I don't want to make it too long. So I finally found crab. So I just ordered the crab, fried crab, spring roll. I've ordered just one piece. Let's try. If it's tasty, then I'm gonna order more for the plane. And coconut coffee. just arrived at the hotel. Also got my food. The driver came at the same time as me. Let's go. Oh, nice hotel. I think it's this one room. Wait, is it this one? No, 405. What is this one? 401. Okay, let's go. Where is this one? 402. It's this one. Wow, it's a big room. Hopefully it's not like the one in Jakarta. Shut down the door. Okay. So this is a toilet. Doing the living room tour. Oh, I look good today. I didn't take any pictures. Oh, that's sad. Maybe I should take a picture now. I look good. Let me take some slippers. I think there is a pool in this hotel. I think in the 3 hotels I've ordered, so 2 didn't have a pool, and I believe this one has a pool. Oh, nice setting. Nice. Don't know if I should show you my hotel name. Which hotel is that? But I look good today. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture before. But yeah, this is the room. Let me see the view. Okay, it's just some random people's house, but I'm gonna put the curtain over there. Okay, yeah, it's a nice hotel. I think it's a 5-star or 4-star hotel, but I've never really booked anything below 4, so it's probably like 4 or maybe 5, but I like it. But I think it's 4, I'm not sure. But okay, let me take a picture of me with my bag as well, because I feel like I look good today. And then I'm gonna eat. I've ordered lasagna and chicken lasagna and a cheese naan and a mango smoothie to not change. So I'm gonna take a picture and then I'll eat. So I'll see you tomorrow, because after that I will check what I'm going to do tomorrow. It's only 8 p.m. but yeah, I need to sort out I have things to sort out in my phone, so I won't be going out. And the breakfast is quite early, so it will motivate me to go out after eating breakfast. Breakfast is between 7 and 9, so it will motivate me to get up, do things. And then I have 4 days, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31st. I have 4 days here, so I need to maximize my days. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Just want to show you guys, this hotel is so I love the aesthetic. It's like the old times. I don't know if I did it like a room tour, but yeah, I've ordered dessert just now, so it just came. But look at that, the setting. This is the room, right? The setting is just so in the old times. I love it. Yeah, I don't pay attention to my stuff. I'm starting to open my stuff, but this one is better than my hotel in Hanoi. It is actually cheaper than my hotel in Hanoi, but yeah, this one is brand new. The hotel in Hanoi was it was okay, but yeah, actually I'm really hot. I'm gonna turn on the AC. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Okay, see you tomorrow.